your best lessons. So in today's video, I'm here to teach you how to play Omemma Praise from scratch. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested and you want to take your play to the next level, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, let's begin with the breakdown. So the song was played on key C, Cynthia. Okay, and first of all, let's look at the progression of the song. I'll be teaching you how to play this from scratch. Okay, I'll be teaching you the intro as well. Okay, that is la ti do ti so la so mi, then la ti do. So you can play it here. La ti do ti so la so mi, then la ti do. So now to the progression. Go 5, 6, 4, back to the 1. So here you'll be starting from the root 5. Da 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 5, da 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 6, 4 4 4 4 4 1 1 1 1 1. Just like that. 5, 6, then 4, then 1. Okay. So if you're a beginner, this is the baseline I'll be giving to you. You see, so this is just me using the 5 and 2. So re. Now to the 6th progression. La, mi, then fa, do, then do, so. You get it. 1, 2, I know you. So ti, re, mi, la, mi. Then fa, do, then sol, la, do, so. You do it again. Do, re, so, re, re, mi, la, mi, then fa, do, then sol, la, do, so. Sol, la, do. Just like that. So this is just the beginner's baseline I'm just sharing with you. After this, I'll go deeply into the baseline I played. Okay, so on that I played. So that is so do do mi, so do do mi. Now to the 5 progression. So re re ti, to the la progression. That's your 6. Mi la la do. Then you go to the fa. Do fa fa la. Okay, so you just master it, and then you can use them if you are not too fast in the praise. Okay. Get it. So the first one, I was applying this ghost note. So you just apply 2 ghost notes before you move to the next progression. Then you apply bam, 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 da, 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 da. So da na na da na 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 da na na da na na. So 1 1, then 5 5, then 6 6, then 4. Then you now move to the main groove. Omemma. Okay. This is the simplest one. So Omemma, Ome. Then the last ma, you are on the 1 progression. So da da do. You can apply the ghost notes. Okay, so that is okay. Then 1 do re mi so ti re la ti do fa so la do re mi so ti re. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you want to jump into the Makossa bassline just for a start, you can do something like this. Go. So it's very simple. On the 4, fa fa la fa, do do mi do, so so ti so, la la do la. So the finger position to that, you just then your pinky plays the fa. Just the same to the do, to the so, la. You get it? Okay. Now the second one. Okay, so that is do do mi re mi. See where I come to play my re. So octave do re mi. Okay, so so ti. Then I play la ti. Then la la mi. Or you can play la la do. Then ti do. La la mi, then fa fa do, so la. So you take it slow. Just like that, to all of that progression. Okay.
Are you ready? Are you sure that's good for you? Yeah.
Okay. Do to the 5 progression. Do re la so. Now to the 6. Re mi so do so la. Re so do fa do so fa. Da 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 so 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 so. La re so do fa fa. Then you come to the main groove. Do so so.
God, that's good for you.
So something like that. So the groove goes like this. Omemma. Then you start the groove on the one. So for Mema. On the four, it goes like this. Fa la do fa fa. Fa fa do fa fa. On the do, one progression. Do mi so do do. On the five progression. So ti re so so. Now to the la progression. La mi la la. Then ti do, taking to the four progression. Take it slow. Okay, so I was playing some nice bass line here. So let me teach you guys how to do that. So it goes like this. Okay, so on the four progression, that's the same thing you apply on the one progression. Fa fa la, sorry, fa fa la fa fa re do, then do mi do la so, then so ti so mi re, then la do so mi re, just like that. You get it. You can apply the first one I taught you as the beginner. I've forgotten. So let me just teach you another one. So just like you're playing the fa, but you bring the re, the so you bring the re, then la you bring the re. You get it? So fa fa la. You have your re mi re here, so fa fa la, re mi re. Then you come to the re here, re so, re mi re. You do it again, re so, re mi re. Then mi la, re mi re. Do fa. So mi re do fa la. Just like that. You can apply this to it. Okay, so the song will be posted on the Telegram group. Join the group, or you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to the Telegram group, and also download the song for practice. Okay, so I wish you best in this lesson. I'll be seeing you guys later in the live lesson. Bye for now.